Hi guys, welcome to our dumpster diving. And then this time, I'm with Dami guys. Hello guys, so ito na yun guys. This is what we found in dumpster diving guys. Look. Oh my god, it works.
Good morning, Philippines!
Let's go guys, sana walang tao guys. Okay, let's see. Sana walang tao. Tignan natin kung baka may laman. Oh. May bagong laman. Kunin ko nga yung ano guys. Kunin ko yung stick natin.
So I said that's fine. Yeah, only other one.
Teka muna. Hindi tayo nakuha. And then hi guys, welcome to our dumpster diving. And then this time, I'm with Dami guys. Oh my god, he sit in the car because you know, I need somebody with me. But anyway guys, so we went to dumpster dive and I found something and I will show you guys later kung ano yung nakuha namin. And yes, it seems like it's a big jackpot guys. Oh my god, hindi ako meron pa dun. There's still a lot in there. So now let's head to the next spot. After Christmas, after Christmas, that's where we should look around. Anyway guys, so we did I did stop sa ibang garbage, pero wala man guys, walang tinapon. May bago silang basura, pero walang mga dapat alam mo na, dapat anuhin. And so yun, so pauwi na kami, and ihuhol natin yung ihuhol natin yung nakuha natin doon sa basurahan. And look, yung company ko is very grouchy. The grouchy man is here. Are you a grouchy man? Oh, he's not grouchy pala guys. But anyway, he's very supportive anyway. Even though he is like that, he support me. He just sit in the thing and film me. I said, film me. I'm struggling over here, you know. I forgot the GoPro. Anyway, so let's see. Hopefully this will work. And this is Tammy's job to do all this what I got, like all this like electronic stuff. So siya yung bahala. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung okay ba siya or hindi. Hello guys, so ito na yun guys. This is what we found in dumpster diving guys. Look at this, a shark, and my husband will play for that now. Okay Han, can you do? So guys, the price, you know, it's shark, it's expensive guys. If you buy a robot, vacuum robot, it's expensive. And luckily I found this one right here. This is her home base, honey. This one right here. So the thing is guys, usually they cut the wires, but this time they didn't. Look, and they don't even spray. Look, and it's brand new, hon. Somebody return it. Yeah, return. Somebody used it and then they don't like it and they return it. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. Look, oh my god, shark vacuum. And guys, and I found a bin bag. So can you imagine guys, shark vacuum. The thing about this is we don't know, somebody used it and returned it, and we don't know where to get the freaking the dustpan, the dust whatever.
It should be part of it.
No, I don't want to touch it. It's right here guys, look. Oh my god. And I found this. This is the first thing I found. Look.
It's for the water filter.
And what is this?
It's a water filter.
Huh?
It's a water filter.
Can we use it over there?
No, it doesn't work at all.
It's a water filter. Look.
Maybe it was the wrong one for what they had.
And also guys, look. This one. Look. I don't know what is this. And also this. So something is connection in this one with this. I think I know what it is. Look. And guys, I found another rube. The first time me and Brenda, may nahanap siya na. Sorry guys, nag-English nga ako guys dahil andito nga si Tammy, di ba? So para maintindihan niya, di ba? So I found a rube. Look, and it's really comfortable, hon. Nest wheel. And also this one guys, look. We have a lot of this. Oh my god, it's a separate thing.
Yeah.
Huh?
Probably missing and broken.
Let me see. Hi, it's broken, oh. Oh my god, my god, my god. Only one broken in the middle.
Okay, so you put any bowl in the middle, I guess.
You can do that? Put this around it. Like that. And like that. And there you go. You have a serving thing. And also look at this guys. And I don't have any clue what is this. It's something cutter of a potato. A potato cutter.
Cuts French fries.
French fries?
Yeah, makes.
It's nothing. This is not breakable. You cannot break this. Or maybe, hala, this is not. This is the real one, huh? Is something missing?
I can't tell. It's down there, right up here.
Yeah. Serving thing for olives, like this, guys. Oh, olive stuff. And this is a return. Nire-return nila. And then, you know, kahit yung iba, ni-return. For some reason, hindi sila masaya. So, yun, ganyan, katulad yan. Pero ito, guys, I can't believe, oh, look, I found a nice one. And, guys, a bean bag. Look, the real bean bag. Like, you can have jelly beans in it. Is this jelly beans, son?
No.
So, now, Tommy have to play with the shark. And I will return, guys. I will show you later. This one, I will wash this later. Or tomorrow. And then, this is a bean bag, like, guys. It's really comfortable. Han? Oh? So now Tommy have to work. It's heavy, honey.
Yeah.
No, it's dirty in the butt. Hopefully that will work. Hold it.
No, so far I don't see nothing.
Turn the power. Oh my god. Oh my god. There is a sign. It's charging. Oh my god!
And it sucks the dirt out.
What dirt? Which dirt?
It sucks the dirt out when you empty the dirt.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it works! Honey, what a big jackpot, love! Love, what a jackpot. Oh, it's more nicer than what we have. And what is that? Filter?
To empty the dustbin.
Oh my god, it's very high tech. It's high tech than the other one. Hala, let me get the dog, honey. Oh my god.
Okay, down. Down. Thank you for the kisses, but down anyway. Thank you.
It works. Yes, love. I know we love you. Wow, the vacuum works.
Yeah.